To analyze your team's performance, navigate to the sidebar and expand the Report tool. Select Team Report to view a comprehensive breakdown of tasks, subtasks, and working hours for every team member. Use the Expand All toggle to dive into specific task details. Click the Export button to save your report. You can choose between PDF or Excel formats, and select the specific date range and data fields you need. Navigate to the Daily Time Log to track day-to-day productivity and monitor time spent on individual assignments. Just like team reports, you can export your daily logs by selecting your desired timeframe and clicking Export to generate the file. Switch to the User Activity view to see a real-time audit log of task status changes and team updates. Use the User drop-down to filter the activity log of team members and focus on the contributions of a specific team member. Open the Timesheet section to manage billable hours and review finalized logs for client projects. Click the plus icon to create a new timesheet, where you can select the timesheet type, date range, and specific users to be included. Next, review the generated entries to ensure accuracy. Then click Generate to finalize the timesheet for your records. Select any finalized timesheet from the list to view detailed time entries, and use the Export to Excel action to save the data as an Excel file. Navigate to Team Overview to visualize your team hierarchy and monitor overall progress metrics like total tasks, pending tasks, in progress, and total hours. Finally, select Task Report to view a distribution of tasks across different statuses like to do, in progress, done, and failed.